Making money with XAU/USD, which represents the exchange rate between gold and the US dollar, is done primarily through trading gold in the forex or commodities market. Here's how you can profit from trading XAU/USD. Buy and sell gold. Buying gold. If you expect the price of gold to rise against the USD, you would buy or go long on XAU/USD. If the price of gold increases, you can sell it at a higher price and make a profit. Selling gold. If you believe the price of gold will decrease, you can sell or go short on XAU/USD. If the price drops, you can buy it back at a lower price, pocketing the difference as profit. Leverage and margin. Forex platforms allow you to trade with leverage, meaning you can control a larger position with a smaller deposit. However, leverage amplifies both potential profits and risks. Technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis. Use charts and indicators to predict market trends and entry or exit points for trades. Fundamental analysis. Monitor factors like inflation rates, geopolitical events, and US monetary policy, which affect gold prices.